Okay, Marksman League. I know a lot of people been wanting to see this game, and I'm going to show you what I have so far. Um, Before I start, I just want to say I post updates all the time on the greenlight page, so you should go check it out if you're, really invested into this game. And this update, I re-added some old stuff that I got rid of. I redid the networking system completely. I redid the character system. I redid the shooting system. So everything is new, but based off of the old systems that I had in place. So yeah, we're just gonna start it up. You can see it looks completely different because there's new lighting also that I added like 2 updates ago, but you didn't see those 2 updates. So yeah, looks really good. In my opinion, I'm going for kind of, I don't know. I'm kind of going for like a more colorful look instead of like dull and dark, because I want it to be like, I want the game to feel fun and not like really sad. Yeah, but this is the game. Yeah, you can see animations, they're broken. Oh yeah, this game is broken. It's kind of broken. I mean, it's not really like badly broken, but it's broken. Like, sometimes if you get a headshot, it'll count as 2 kills. The scoreboard doesn't work. I need to add sorting to it too. But you can see I have a kill feed now, and it has icons. I created those icons. I didn't create the one with the gun. As you can see, that's an example of like it being broken. But yeah, there's some exciting things I want to show you on this update, like this barrel. Look at that. I modeled these barrels, and I'm going to talk about that later. But yeah, you can see if I go all the way back here, right? I aim directly at this barrel. By the way, you can see the scope is kind of fixed. I can tap it as much as I want, and it won't glitch out because it's using animations now. Yeah. But yeah, you can see if I aim directly at the bottom of this barrel and I shoot it won't blow it up. Why is that, huh? You guessed it, bro. That was really stupid. There's bullet drop now, so you gotta aim kind of a little bit. I don't even know the bullet drop. You gotta aim a little bit higher now, About the bullet drop, there's gonna be some interesting stuff coming. I'm not gonna say it, but there's gonna be some cool stuff that you guys are gonna like, because this game is gonna be an esports game. I want it to be the best esports experience you've ever had. You feel me, dog? But yeah. So that's it, I don't know what to talk about really. This is a game. See sound effects work. I redid the L9's, whatever the gun is called. I redid the sound effects for it. See at the top up here, it shows your player profiles, kind of like a Cisco style thing with the time and the scoreboard. If I can do this, it'll do your ping right here, your username, your rank, kills, assists. Wait, no, kills. No, yeah, wait, deaths, assists, kills, and yeah, it's gonna be a lot more stuff. Like, I'm gonna add player profiles there. Player profiles don't even work yet, so there's no point in adding that right now. But yeah, the game is playable. You just can't really win. I do have code like for like winning. I do have that, but I just don't have it in because I'm trying to do some cool stuff. But like I was saying, next update you're gonna see a lot of stuff that I'm modeling, because I made this Blender and Substance Painter. Shout out to those 2 programs. But yeah, I made this and it looks pretty cool in my opinion. It's a nice barrel. I did a good job. So yeah, I'm working on modeling more. I'm gonna remodel everything in the game. Right now we're using valve arms. We're using a L96A1 that I bought off of the asset store. These crates, they're off the asset store. The trees, everything, textures, grass, all that. All this is gonna be remade. Don't worry. I mean, there's no point in me remaking it other than just practice. You can see the hit marker, it stays there a little bit longer, like I think like 0.2 seconds longer. So yeah, I have my own weapon sway system. There's mouse sway, there's weapon sway, and there's arm sway, and there's head sway, as you can see. This game, I really focus on sways because I love sways. Like, look at that. Like, Oh my god. Just wait till I add pistols, bro. That sway is gonna be amazing on the pistols. But you can see like with the jump animation and all that, it looks really good. But there's head sway because as you can see, like as I move, there's like a tilt. Some people call it camera tilt. I don't care what you call it. Yeah, you see it kind of tilts the camera when I move. Mouse sway is kind of when the gun rotates a little bit when you move the mouse, and weapon sway is when it sways around on a straight line without rotating. Hand sway is just something I did to add the extra, like it's like an overall sway. So yeah, I have my own swaying system. If we take a look actually at, you can see I have my own like head weight. That's what I call my head sway. I made this inspector. I was gonna sell this as an asset, like all my assets that I made, called Easy FPS. Pretty sure that's taken, but I mean, what can I do about it? You feel me? But yeah, let me look for the gun. Like weapon sway, you can see like I have like sway settings. So yeah, I've been working on inspectors. It looks pretty good to me. You feel me? All right. Let me think. I mean, that's pretty much that I've done, really. You know. I'm working on trying to get these players to like feel at the same height, even though his feet are in the ground. But I'm gonna add a new headshot sound because I don't like this one. I want it to sound more like a typical headshot than a dink. You feel me? It shouldn't be like Minecraft. I'm sorry for saying you feel me a lot. I've just been. It's a habit. I can't help it. But yeah. There's a glitch somewhere on this map where if you like get the right speed, you will be able to just fly through the wall and climb a mountain. I got rid of the mountains though, so when you fly out of the wall, you just fall down. But there were mountains surrounding this whole place. Yeah, all right. You can see there's real-time reflections. You know, you look down, you can see the sky in the scope. Look up, you can see nothing really. But yeah. There's tons of image effects. Without image effects, this game is literally a black screen. I'm not even kidding. Like, image effects save this game. Like, I'm telling you, bro. Another thing with the guns, the bullet accuracy depends on your movement now. So, well, not your movement, more like your animation. So, whatever animation you're playing is where your bullet's gonna go. Example, when I'm jumping, you can see when I do that thing when I land, like look, the gun goes up a little bit. The bullet's gonna go wherever the gun is pointing. So, just to show a broken feature, if I reload now, you can see the gun is kind of pointing at him. If I shoot while I'm reloading, that bullet will hit him. And lucky for you, you can shoot while you're reloading. So, if I can aim. There we go. You see, so yeah, I don't know if I should keep that, you know, or make it to where like the bullets are always gonna come from your screen, but whatever. I'm gonna keep that because it's really good. It makes the game a little bit harder. I'm trying to make the game harder, but at the same time fun. But yeah, I don't want to go on like for too much longer, so like. I'm gonna try and do like a B-hop system. I don't know if I should add that actually. But yeah, the physics on the new character system is crazy, bro. Like, oh yeah, I fixed physics. So like when you jump, you fall down a lot faster. Same thing with the bullets. You shoot a bullet, it falls down a lot faster instead of staying in the sky. Yeah. Bullet hits are in the game, but they don't work because the raycast is broken. You know, it's using it's kind of weird how I'm doing shooting. I'm using prefab and raycast at the same time. What's happening is the bullet's coming out of the gun, and the bullet is shooting out of raycast and determining where we're gonna hit. Wait, no, I got rid of that system. It's just pure prefab shooting now. I got rid of that because I couldn't get it to really work because with Unity's like physics, I'll have to code my own physics like type thing to where like with Unity by default, you shoot a bullet, it's gonna shoot straight and it's never gonna like curve down when it comes down. So it's not gonna be like a football. It's gonna be more like a football. It stays the same direction when you throw it the whole time. So you know, like you can look at a computer mouse. Like pretend the computer mouse is a football. You see what I'm saying? It's gonna stay the same direction no matter what, and that's not how I want the bullets to work. So yeah, I'm gonna fix all that later. I'm gonna definitely fix the shooting effects because that looks really bad to me. I'm gonna fix the image effects and the lighting because, as you can see, if I'm in here, everything should be dark, right? But also when I look at the ground, I shouldn't have that weird, like, you see that white stuff on the gun? That's weird to me. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get rid of that. But yeah, I don't know what else to say. Oh, you have your own kill effects down here. You may think that's really complicated, but it's not. It's more like telling it to go up a certain number, go down to 0, and then disappear. And when I get like 2 kills back to back, what it is destroying itself, positioning itself. Like it's kind of like lerping. I can't get 2 kills though. Those barrels are awesome, dude. Oh yeah, I forgot. New scope system also. So look, you look through the scope, it's a lot different, huh? There's no longer like a scope texture in front of the camera. There's just the camera with the scope texture on it now. And I have image effects on that camera to brighten it up. And you can see, I'm gonna fix this sway, don't worry. Because that makes the game a lot harder, because if I'm going from here to there, I shouldn't be looking at like the middle of nothing, you know? That looks really bad. So yeah, you can cancel reloads and stuff now. You don't even have to bolt, so I'm gonna have to fix that. Oh, it bolted that time, but cancel the bolt by like just jumping, and then running barely works. You can see it has an animation. Nice sound effects to it. Sounds really good. What the? You saw the hit marker. Well, not the hit marker, the hit effect. But yeah, I don't have too much to talk about now. I can kill myself. You were killed. That's kind of what the game looks like without color correction. You see, it's all dull. And I added color correction to bring out the colors, because you know the game needs colors, man. You know, I don't want it to look like, you know, really boring. It has to look exciting. So you see dead bodies here, you know. And they have physics. Oh my god, I didn't think about that. I'm gonna play with this all night. Just physics with the dead bodies. See a glitch there. Alright, I gotta go, dude. But yeah, that's the game. So far. You can see I've added my own, like, HUD here, and it looks really good. So yeah, that's all I gotta talk about. See, the mini map also has like image effects to it, like a glitch effect. Don't ask how I got it. Okay, all right, looks like I gotta go. I'll see you guys on the greenlight page. You know, look at the greenlight page, dude. I post a lot of stuff there. I post what I'm doing, what I'm working on, and all that stuff on the greenlight page, literally. So they just gave me. I'm gonna add a bolt action, like not a bolt action. I'm gonna add like a gun that doesn't use a scope. You feel me? That's gonna look really good. That's gonna be fun, like a gun without a scope in a sniper game, bro. Like crazy. But yeah, I'm not gonna reveal everything I'm gonna add. Just know it's really good stuff, and yeah. Barrels. Oh my god. Well, I guess bullet drop doesn't work right here because it's not. There we go. Oh, I gotta reload. I only got 3 bullets. Woohoo! Gotta go.